So here's how to remove your YouTube account from your Teespring account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Teespring account. Then here at this page you have to click on your profile. After that, from this menu you have to scroll down and go to the integration option. Moving to the next step is you have to click on it. Here at this page you will be able to view the option YouTube Merge Self. You have to click on it to view it. While creating your big cartel shop, if you have connected it to your YouTube account, then here you will be able to view the option of remove. You can simply click on the remove link option to remove your big cartel account from your YouTube account. If you are logged into your YouTube account and want to remove your big cartel from there, then you have to simply go to the monetization option or you have to go to the merchandise option. After that you have to click on the big cartel there and then you have to remove it. So that's how to remove your big cartel account from YouTube.